Good afternoon, traders. Welcome back to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Craig Shapiro, macro strategist, and this is your afternoon market update. The market environment this afternoon has transitioned from a period of alpha-driven dispersion to a more synchronized, correlated beta sell-off. While the session began with localized factor volatility, the decline is accelerating as market breadth deteriorates significantly. Equity indices are reflecting this broader pressure, with the Nasdaq down 2.4%. S&Ps are down 1.6%. The Russell is also succumbing to the pressure now, trading down 1.3%. This session is increasingly defined by broad-based deleveraging, with the February VIX now sitting at 1986, up 11%, signaling a sharp spike in hedging demand and fear as we approach the final hours of trading. Headline risk remains at the forefront following reports that the U.S. military shot down an Iranian drone that aggressively approached the USS Abraham Lincoln aircraft carrier in the Arabian Sea. According to U.S. Central Command, the Iranian drone was engaged and destroyed by a U.S. F-35 fighter jet after ignored warnings. This escalation has introduced a heightened regional risk premium, causing crude oil to trade up 1.7% as energy traders react to the potential for further conflict. The large cap technology sector continues to lead the move lower. Oracle has seen its losses widen to over 4% as market digests its $5 billion offering of mandatory convertible preferred stock, part of its massive $50 billion funding initiative for cloud and AI infrastructure. Despite the long-term growth narrative, the immediate dilution and heavy capital demands are weighing heavily on the tape. The weakness is even more pronounced in digital assets. Bitcoin has seen its sell-off accelerate significantly, now down near 7%. The move suggests that the earlier degrossing in equities has spilled over into full-scale liquidation within the crypto complex as investors move to the sidelines. Underlying factor performance remains bleak and is characterized by violent rotation. We're observing a staggering 500 basis point underperformance today of growth versus value, forcing systematic long-short funds into a chaotic gross down event. The quality factor has declined by 2% as institutional investors are liquidating high conviction positions to raise liquidity. The unprofitable technology factor is under even more intense pressure, now down 4%, as hardware demand, exhaustion, and a rising cost of capital weigh on sentiment. Earlier today, Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin provided a sober tone characterizing recent rate cuts as a, quote, insurance policy for the labor market. However, he emphasized that the Fed is still navigating the last mile of its inflation target. With inflation still roughly 1% above the 2% goal, Barkin stated that the Fed takes the sustained overshoot since 2021 seriously, signaling a cautious approach to further monetary easing. One of the few remaining areas of strength is the home building sector. Plans are being finalized for the, quote, Trump Homes program, a $250 billion private sector-led initiative aiming to deliver 1 million entry-level units via a pathway to ownership model. Industry leaders like Lennar, Pulte, and Horton continue to show relative strength, trading up near 3% as the market prices in potential for massive new housing volume. In stark contrast to the equity sell-off, the commodities complex is witnessing a flight to safety move. Gold is up 5% and silver is up near 6%, reclaiming their role as primary hedges against geopolitical and macro uncertainty. In the last hour, we have also seen bonds catch a bid as the risk-off move has intensified. 10-year yields have ticked down 1 basis point to 4.265% as investors finally look to treasuries for protection. The U.S. dollar remains mildly weak but stable as the market awaits tomorrow's heavy data slate. As we head into the final hour, all eyes are on AMD and their earnings report after the close at 4:15. This will be a critical litmus test for the semiconductor industry and the AI hardware narrative. The macro calendar for tomorrow is exceptionally dense. At 8:15 a.m., we will get the ADP payroll print, which takes on heightened importance as the government shutdown has canceled Friday's official non-farm payroll release. This will be followed at 8:30 by the Treasury's quarterly refunding announcement, which will give guidance on upcoming coupon and duration issuance composition. And then at 10 o'clock, we will have the ISM services report. And then after the close on tomorrow, we will get Google's earnings. So plenty to do. That was it for me this afternoon. I'm Craig Shapiro, and now I will pass it over to Jim for the Edge Report.
Thank you, Craig. Well, let's start with the Bitcoin. As Craig mentioned, well, not looking so rosy, I would say. Here's a daily candle chart. We have our peak highs back up here in October. A really nice and steady sell-off occurred. We kind of stopped there on the 21st of November, and then it was sideways, sideways, sideways until a couple days ago. And then we broke out, fell out of bed. Today, the move has been accelerating toward the downside. We took out the April lows of 74,605 on the front month of the micro Bitcoin right now. I had to add some extension targets at this point because we're breaking new ground on the downside. We have a 61.8% extension target at 69,380, and beyond that, 62,518. That's kind of a big picture kind of look right now. RSI is right just south of 30, just south of 30. Doesn't mean it can't be oversold for a long period of time. We'll see. The velocity's been pretty keen though, from the middle of the pack, right between 30 and 70. We broke pretty quickly down to a sub 30 state. So a lot of momentum to the downside here in the Bitcoin intraday. I mean, it just doesn't look very good. After the U.S. initial balance, we kind of held our own sideways a little bit above that 77,000 level, but then all heck broke loose. VWAP kind of held, right? We tested VWAP a couple times on the upside for the session, and then we just sold off past Jacks 3, past put support, past one-day min, past previous sessions lows, et cetera, et cetera. And there's not a lot. There's no Jacks targets down here. There's no Gamma targets down here. This is just a huge sell-off at this point in time. Let's pivot over to the E-mini S&P. I want to talk about that, and I hope I'm wrong about the E-mini S&P and everything I'm about to say. But right now we have a benchmark giant red candle, and it pretty much spanned the consolidation range. Right, the top of it, where I have my rectangle up here, close to the all-time highs, was 70.23, and then I had support kind of framed down here around 69,000. We broke through that. There's no wick at the bottom of this candle. There's no buyers right now. This is just a really, really, really red candle. And we have a target wick, as a matter of fact, right below it. That was yesterday's target wick, the low of the session, 68.48. And then we have back to this is the November lows, anchored VWAP, that white line. We're sitting on it right now. It's an important level. Brian Shannon will tell you it's an important level, and that's what it looks like kind of on a bigger picture thing. This is where we started from these lows, wick lows we saw on the 21st. For the actual calendar year now, we're below where we started. Deli was right. We keep getting back to where we started at in the beginning of January, and then we'll see if we could pull it back up. But when you look at an intraday chart, I'm just here to tell you, I've seen days like this, and it does not end well. I hope I'm wrong. Hope I'm wrong, but this just is a trend day down. There's no buyers right now. It's just pretty ugly, and every single red candle is just generates another red candle, one after another. One day min, forget about it, is way in the rearview mirror. The volume profile, yeah, there's a point of control way up here at 6970, but I think we've forgotten about that, right? Shortly after the initial balance, around lunchtime, we just kind of lost that in the rearview mirror. Also, look at the separation between the session VWAP and price; it's huge. Previous lows is my next target right here. It's 68.64 half. Put support, 0DT anyway, 68.50. These are pretty valid targets in my mind at this point, and then below that, it's just the deep sea. So be careful today. I don't expect any kind of meaningful retracement back up today. This is, there's going to be a lot of squeezes going on going into the close right now. I hope I'm wrong. I hope we do get a kind of a push back up, but right now it's looking very, very negative, and I would just be looking for places to sell. My personal opinion. Let's shoot over to the bonds, though. Craig mentioned those also. Let's just see what they're doing here. Still, it's amazing. The most interesting thing in the world is this consolidation range that we've seen in bonds. And this has been going on since the beginning of December. And I keep saying time and time again, we dip into this rectangle, you buy them, they get back to the 115s, 116s, they get up to the 116s, sell them, and they kind of gravitate toward that middle of the road here, and that's an anchored VWAP from where this trend channel started, pretty sideways. So right now we're barely back above into the consolidation range by a couple of ticks, 114.22, 30 seconds. We'll see if it holds, because the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-day pattern is definitely a downward trend right now. We're barely above where we closed yesterday. So the 30-year bonds, We'll see where they go. We talk about them a lot. We're still just above that 4.9% and the yield side, not close to 5 yet, but uncomfortably so. The September low is at 113 still, and we have this target wick here that I have circled, and that's approximately 113.28. But now buyers have kind of pushed us back up. And then the intraday, it's a small day, beautiful volume profile, almost perfect, with a little bit of a tail on the top, or I don't know, maybe a mohawk on the top of this thing. Point of control is at 114.13. We're about 10 ticks above that, or about $300 above that. $312 above that. And so we're generating some volume here, but still, probably not a lot to do in the bonds between now and the end of the day. That is this afternoon's Edge Report. We are ready for the main event, trading in the close. And we have Selma, we have XYZ, and we have Leo, the big cat, with us. Good afternoon, people.
Hello, hello.
What's up?
I almost said guys.
It works though. It's like gender
Right.
neutral.
You gave
Or
me
not gender neutral, but
Yeah.
it's cumulative of everyone. It's
Yeah.
I
fun.
mean, I call my own, kids bro. I just call them bro. What's up, bro?
You call
Yeah,
them
that
bros?
works too.
Bro. What's up, bro?
All right. Very, very good. Well, thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everybody being here in the chat and participating. Even if you're not in the chat, we appreciate you listening. We are getting more and more subscribers. We appreciate everybody hitting that subscribe button. It's important to us. It's important to me. It's good for the channel. It's free. If you see it and you haven't clicked on it yet, greatly appreciate it for sure. It's kind of message number one. Message number two, we have a big event tomorrow. It's a four-way challenge, although anybody could join. It's arena. Oh, there it is, the four-way battle. Look at that. Look at those four handsome dudes. We got XYZ, Nick for a Tick, Trader Kane, and Leo the Big Cat are going to be on the leaderboard. We're going to be tracking them, and they're going to be competing amongst themselves within the bigger contest. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I believe it's tomorrow, right? The 4th. I'm not sure if registration is closed or not. I'll ask Mission Control to look that one up. If it's not, we'll put a link in so you can still register if you want to participate. It's in a sim environment. It's a lot of fun. Learn how to use the platform, and it goes all day long. So, having said all that, this morning's poll was Nick was the hands-on favorite. XYZ. You didn't see this, by the way.
We'll see. We will see.
All right. All right, all right. Anyway, what are you guys thinking about this afternoon? Let's start with Leo. Let's see, who's got screens going? Let's start with you, Leo, and then we'll go to XYZ.
Yeah, we're seeing a bit of a squeeze right now. For me to get involved, I would want to see a bit of a rotation higher up to last week's low at 364. Maybe could consider like 340s for a continuation type of short, just kind of like using this as a pullback. I don't really have like a good long trade that I would be eyeballing here, and maybe this just squeezes into the end of the day and I miss out on that, but that's fine if that's the case.
So for folks who are new here and new to future trading, Leo, let's talk a little bit what you mean by squeeze, right? It's people that are long, that are trying to get long, or they want to get out and they can't, and the market just keeps selling off.
Well, a squeeze would be really based on, there's a lot of selling in this market right now, right? You have the open went straight down. We've had a straight down day, so the market's going to be kind of net short. And so when they start feeling some pressure, the market starts rotating higher. Those sellers are, as soon as you sell or you get short, you become a buyer.
Yeah.
Right. And so, selling begets selling, buying begets buying. Right. So if a bunch of people start coming into the market and buying it up, those sellers that are short are the only way to exit their trades is to buy it and get out of their position. So you kind of have, dip buyers coming in to buy the dip, and then short sellers that are covering. And so you get this squeeze effect where it just rallies, hundreds of points with seemingly no reason, very little pullbacks or anything to join in on the move. And then you get kind of these violent, upside rips that we're seeing right now.
Oh, that was a way better explanation than mine. So thank you for that. XYZ, what do you what do you what are you thinking about this afternoon?
Uh, it's in my zone. I wanted to get some longs here. I was waiting for a little bit more of an excess. They were heavy selling into those lows, but yeah, I just wanted a bit more excess, maybe like, I don't know, 4 or 5 points. Seems really bottom heavy still, so I didn't get the longs in, but I'm hoping for a higher low pullback or something. I'm not sure if I'm willing to short the market. Maybe upside 420s, 430s, but ultimately I would like a long out of this zone. We'll see. Yeah.
All right, all right. Selma.
The plan was to come in here and short every single pop until that doesn't work anymore. And so I had a limit for shorts that got filled on this push up. And of course, this candle was the news candle. U.S. House approves funds to end government shutdown, sends to Trump for signing into the law. So that just came out as soon as, this candle hit. I'm going to wait to see. I do have a wide stop on this. I want to just see, are they just trying to stop some people out and then, or trap some people and then, push it even lower? I will wait. Um, I'll wait on this position. Currently in some drawdown, but we'll see.
All right, all right. Well, I am wishing all three of you the best of luck on any trades that you're in and that you make for the rest of the afternoon. Good luck, guys. I will dip into the chat.
And gals.
Bye, Jim.
Bye, Jim.
See you, Jim.
You cannot make this up. The news just comes out as soon
Yeah.
as
I might have
whatever.
been more inclined to just hit the long if I had seen that, but yeah, they tried to sell those lows pretty hard and they kind of swept it a few points and went right back in the range. So I was like, well, I think we can kind of at least get a pop out of here, but they are still just ramping this thing up. They're chewing through some offer now, so it is a bit different than the order flow. To me is different. Earlier they could not chew through any offer. Right now they are doing so. So we'll see.
So like explain that in like
So
in terms
earlier
of there you go.
they're
Yes, go.
as the market's moving down, as soon as they pop up, pull back, they find some interested selling, they just fall through again and again and again. But since this current low, now that they're finding selling, they're filling it all. It's like, hey, you know what? You guys want to sell 300? Cool. Fill it all. Next. So earlier they couldn't really fill the sell side, but now they're willing to after getting into this zone. Um, Kind of the same thing that happened yesterday or the day before. Was this yesterday? Yesterday? Yeah. So coming out of the same spot, I want to see them come back and maybe hold it a little better. So the difference to me would be a passive bid that can step up, that's willing to step up and then hold the market higher. Because on the whole way down, anytime there was a bid, it wasn't that thick and it just knifed through. So something that would tell me, hey, maybe things are different right now. Maybe they've finally found a range where, there are more buyers or more buy interest than sell interest. Then maybe we can just kind of start making our way back. But I'm pretty price agnostic. It can go up and go down. I'm just gonna sit around and see if anything presents itself. This is a pretty decent hold right here. We'll see what
Yeah,
they
it
get.
is.
They found that passive selling right here in the 330s.
Yeah.
We'll see if they can drive it back lower, and when they do, if and when
Yeah, I
they
had to
do.
refresh my charts because it was like at 307 on the way down. They started buying it, like lifting offers all the way down.
Yeah,
Which is not normal. That's a bit of divergence, right?
they are
But
definitely interested, and they just chewed through a lot of selling. I'm not gonna lie. That could have been a long, even this high for me.
yeah,
So if they come back, I'll be interested right under the 330s. I don't know if they will, but they just stacked up the bid and actually absorbed the selling. So the selling has not failed like this the entire way down. Things to me are different now.
right.
Yeah, I just exited that short position. Took an L. If I see a re-entry, I'll take it. Unfortunate though that, that news came out as soon as I set my limit. So it happens though. But that's the thing with like, you short the pops until it doesn't work anymore. And you risk every time you try and short the pop, you risk that might be the time where it doesn't work.
Yeah, I mean, it's coming out of that swing low, so
Yeah.
it would be like right about now. I'm gonna start to see if I can layer in position. I'm executing on this DOM right now, so I'm scared,
I mean,
man. I'm scared right now. My heart is pumping right now. It's
stop
just
it.
so foreign to me. I'm not used to it. I'm fucking scared right now.
No, you're
I'm
not.
trying to like layer in more size, but I'm like so hesitant right now. They didn't fill me. I'll keep these for now.
We just got our first 10-minute candle close above the 90 MA. They might push this, yeah.
See what gold's doing.
All right. We got 2 on right now.
Damn.
I'm gonna put a third on, see if they fill this. Oh, the sell limits are combined, it looks like. That's interesting.
You taking the dangerous path? You're just right on the dom right now.
Yeah, I'm so scared, dude. I'm just like, I'm legit scared right now.
Is this
I've
like
never
your first
known.
time
I've
using
never
it?
known. Yeah. It's
Second.
like beta version.
Yeah.
So why not use like micros to test this out?
Oh, hell no.
Okay. All right. So then you're not that scared.
Don't ever say no shit like that to me again. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. You're scared, but you're not that scared.
Scared or stupid. Chat can be the judge. Or both. Scared and stupid.
Crayon line says, "Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Huevos, eggs. What the hell?"
I'm trying to give some primo content, you know? See if we can get a cover up there. 372. All right, what's the
We're at
flatten
the
button again? All right, I got a finger on the flatten button right now. If it starts to go south.
XY. I know you don't look at like higher time frames for the 90 MA, but we're now at the 15-minute 90 MA.
All you gotta tell me is this good or bad?
I can tell you that in the next 7 minutes, if we clear this 90 MA, then we're going to go much higher. We can
All right, well,
go.
they are stepping in sell side. I need them to just relax. Just relax a bit. I will be interested in adding if they can hold this range. If not, I'm actually just gonna get out of the trade. This is a big spot right now. Big selling
Yeah,
coming in.
I was gonna say a friendly fire might be happening here.
At least one
Friendly
of us
fire.
gets paid.
Friendly fire!
Yeah, there's some serious sell side coming in on the tape. If they can hold this, we'll probably be okay. This is the decision point. Bid's starting to slip a little bit. Right now, I got my eyes on the 336s. If they trade that, what do they put below. So any big prints under that, I'm gonna probably just get out of this trade. Anything under 336 has got to be small prints. Too big, I'm getting out. Scratching out of that. So it was good for a little bit. It was good for a little bit. Nice exit. You sure right now, Leo?
Nope, I didn't take it.
Oh, Salma's short. Is she?
Well, no, I got
Oh,
out.
I thought there was some friendly fire.
No,
I was
not me.
mentioning the possibility, but I didn't take it.
Would have been nice. Someone would be getting
It's
paid.
beautiful when I called the trade when we got
You don't
on.
take
It
it?
came up to it, and I don't take it. I love that. I get 0 Furu points, guys. Don't even like the stream today. Seriously.
Wait, what'd you just say?
Don't I told them not to like the stream.
Please don't.
Look at that beautiful trade.
Wow.
There it goes.
Wow. Yeah. Well, at least, that's why you had a good exit.
I know. Right before. Yeah. It's the benefit
So
of having
now-
this DOM up.
Now the play will be watch and see if we can catch a rebid off of this low.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, if I held my initial shorts, my stop wouldn't have been hit. It came like a point to hitting my original stop. I need to stop micromanaging my plays. I do that too much.
Still pretty heavy on the tape here. Kind of like this.
I like it. I'm gonna give it a whirl.
Yeah, Phantom, I agree. I just didn't like the fact that, was basically got stuck in a news candle. We could have just continued to rip faces from there. But yeah, I shouldn't have done that. It's all right. Hindsight.
The bid stepping in. They better get what they want or this thing just flushes.
Starting to push. Oh, 100 watts. Hello. I'm gonna chill out. Reduce size here. I'm not really going where I wanted to yet.
Oh no, they didn't fill my third.
Wow, Leo got in.
Yeah, I'm only in for
Yeah.
2 right now.
I need to pay attention. I don't realize when you guys are in a trade.
XYZ doesn't like to tell you.
I'm
He's just
literally
busy.
telling you guys I'm getting long.
He's locked in.
Dude,
Yo,
I'm
he
like,
be gatekeeping.
I'm on the DOM. I'm locked in. Like,
Yeah, same.
it's unbelievable how locked in I am.
You got to pump it up.
Please. I'm open to adding some more.
They've asked, how could XYZ get any more locked in?
People ask all the time, how do you get so locked in? Nobody gets locked in like I do. And can they just run this thing up?
Come on, guys.
Let's go. Get them paid.
They're doing all the things that we want to see.
Let's try to
Stepping
get
up, lifting the
38s.
offers pulling off. All the things. Just need to get that rotation up.
You know what? I'm going to try for the 31s.
Wow, ES looks to be much stronger.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, I think ES is the reason why you guys got this bounce.
They definitely just found some willing selling there.
Ooh. What are we doing?
NQ is weak.
Can they hold this? Mm.
I mean, if they can,
Yeah.
this is
No, I don't think so. Oh,
no. Oh, what is
all
we
right.
are
Who's saying what?
something?
And how high are we
Somebody's saying
going?
something. Let's go.
Yo, what
Oh,
the hell?
geez. Oh man.
Oh man, they went
Sending
right under
everybody on
my
a roller
TP.
coaster.
All
It's
right.
right on my TP up there.
I'm gonna fingers on the trigger. I'm gonna be
Yeah.
out. I'm in a one lot now.
Cooper
you get
said
TP up there?
Tracy.
No, I didn't get TP.
Dude,
no.
it's so close to mine. If they hold here, I will add.
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh, this is
In the dirt. We're in the dirt.
this is nasty.
Louise.
So what was that? Anyone know?
I'll let you know as soon as it pops up on my screen. Definitely news though. That's not moving normal. Okay, guys, I will buy back in. Fractal Firm is taking one for the team.
I wouldn't touch this right now. The tape's pretty heavy still.
Mm,
That was a nasty candle.
Mm-hmm.
It's Norseman says good morning, good morning. Dude,
All
it's
right.
the afternoon.
ES can hold this node. That would be nice too.
White noise. The final bet for me and Leo tomorrow is $500. Whoever has the higher P&L.
I'm gonna fill some longs.
I've been at 80.
I got two.
Actually, I'm just gonna take a quick scalp on the first three.
I'm gonna
I got
try to get a
three
third
off.
lot. See if they give me three.
I kind of want to go short here, guys.
Friendly fire.
I am long, looking to add a third. All right, I'm in for three. We'll keep it there. If the bid slips here in the 280s, I'm gonna flatten. But they're trying to reload it right now.
It's literally holding 81s.
Yeah. ES super key here. It's the low volume node prior to the last one. If they can lock them out, we could see a low of day. That's my thinking at least.
Yeah, I have a fib level here for ES. This is like the midpoint of our most recent high to low or low to high on the 4-hour.
This is nice.
Huge buying coming in the tape, but
Mhm.
price needs to really go.
Yep. Need to leave this area quickly. I'll take one more. Leave two on.
I'm leaving.
the
I'm
run.
not taking anything off till 3:30.
Good for you. I
Is
learned my
it
lesson
though?
the first time earlier.
Is it though?
I just looked at it. I was like, oh, there's 15 points. Cake it?
Is it?
Nah. It's going to squeeze.
Yeah, I'm playing
Go
for a
back in my
squeeze at
face.
these lows. Dude, so much buying, but some serious selling for sure, for sure.
So that news before was Nvidia news.
Yeah, I saw that.
Those buyers just exited. See if we can get some new buyers in.
I'm down to one.
You managed to get one off, right?
I was in 6. I got out 3 on the
Oh,
first pump to like 10 points, and then I got one at 15, and then scaled off this one. So now I just have one.
Gonna add to my shorts.
Fractal, buy this thing, man. Buy it.
All right, we got some buying coming back in, so I'm getting back. Back in 3 lots.
It's Fractal, I'm telling you. He's trying his best.
He's trying his best.
He's trying his best to hold this thing up.
I dig it.
Yep.
Come on, buyers.
Dude, you see that tape?
Yeah.
They painted it. They've been painting it. They need to get it going. Still working with a higher low ES on volume here. Don't want to extend my stop. So if it touches it, I'm gonna get right out and I'll just be ready to get back in if anything. But they're really holding this on the buy side, so I'll die with it.
Scaling out of 1. I got to see this thing start to run if I'm going to hold this trade, and it's just not. So
They really need to because there's so many buyers here.
Yep.
They don't get what they want. This thing will flush down to the low. Probably quickly. Yeah, I'm in with the aggressive buying. Either they do it here and we get paid, or we get out and we'll probably revisit the low. I like the scenario. Depending on how the order flow goes, I might tack some more on. Assuming I don't get stopped out, obviously. But if this buying can actually see continuation, then we'll see what more we can put on.
They're putting offers behind it now. 82s. We're just loaded with 40 and 15 right behind price. That's not what you want to see, but
They're dumping a lot of selling into the 70s. I'm just hopeful that they don't get what they want. Eventually they just decide, you know what, forget it then.
They lifted the 82s. All right. I think that was.
They're really hopping in on the bid.
I don't like that we're stalling here.
I do.
I mean, that's good for you.
Yeah.
For me,
it is good
no,
for you.
not at all.
Building.
Usually, like when you're short, you want to see that thing move quick. It's bulls that take like forever to push price up.
Well, all right, I'm down to 1. I'm not gonna let this thing rotate back down on my face again. Do you look at the trend? The trend is bearish. Why are you trying to fight it? Well, this is a very short time trade here. We had a very nice downtrend day. We got a big rotation to the upside. All XYZ and I are playing is rebidding off of this low for trade back into the range. That's it.
I have a high time frame zone that price just bounced out of. Every reversal starts with a higher low to the upside. So we're speculating it's a higher low. Could be that simple.
It's been a profitable venture for me so far. So I am pretty happy with the managing risk aspect of this trade position too.
Yeah, both longs paid you.
I mean, there's nuance to fading single prints. It's realistically not my favorite thing to do, for one. So that's why I've been managing it the way I have. But two, I don't fade markets that are actively trending. And now that we've paused and we've gotten a bigger rotation up, I would suggest to you that we are no longer actively in a trend down today. We're trying to make a bit of an exhaustive low where that trend could potentially shift. So that's the nuance in the single prints, not fading single prints. While we are actively, dumping like we did this morning and then all the way down here, I don't take reversion type trades while that's actively happening. But I would suggest that this is a good area of risk to reward standpoint for a reversion type play, that this trend, intraday trend, could be ending.
If you don't hit the likes, you hate puppies. Yeah. Hey, how about you guys hit the likes?
How about you hit the likes?
Why I put my TP there? I mean, I think that's the next spot where they might find someone stepping back in sell side if they make it there. Next spot is where price came back all the way down here and then one all the way up. I'd probably end up trailing that one depending on how strong the move is. But I mean, these are all for positive outcomes. I still have no idea if this trade's even going to work. We're just speculating. My trade plan is we tapped into the zone that I'm looking to long. I missed that long. They have a decent potential to hold this higher low here. I mean, they're pretty much stuffing the sell side for now. And if it's going to hold, then I think we can get a pretty good reversal. And if it doesn't, I just get out. No harm, no foul. So
I don't like this divergence here between ES and NQ. ES trying to push. NQ is, on this candle relatively flat and trying to push down. I guess you guys longed the weaker one and I shorted the stronger one. Damn it.
I mean,
Salma, you don't trade NQ at all, right?
Dude, yesterday I got on stream and I was in a trade on NQ. But then it reversed 2 points away from my TP, so never again. But I did trade it because it looked much better yesterday than ES. And then chat was like, no way, Salma's in NQ. I'm like, yeah, guys. Got it full of surprises.
Wow. Is that the first NQ trade you ever took?
I think on stream. Yeah, besides like the competition. Tomorrow you'll see me trading everything. I'm coming to kick butt.
Are you ready?
Am I ready? I don't know if I am. I don't think you'll ever be ready. Just kind of gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Gotta just, rise to the occasion.
There goes my step.
same.
But that's why I trimmed down. And I think honestly, I'd be willing to re-enter the same trade.
Yeah, I'm
here,
looking for that.
but
Can you guys enter shorts?
Yeah.
yes, it's
Yeah, sure.
possible.
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
All right, cool, guys.
Let's see.
I don't like that that I'm fading you guys, but just gotta
I mean, you
see a
should.
setup, just gotta take it.
You should for now. Nothing's worked out yet.
Yeah, plus I think like you guys are, in and out for quick scalps, and you can definitely get a winning trade on NQ with those scalps while I still sit here in this trade that can also potentially work out afterwards. So,
Yeah.
George, no one's trolling me. Stop it. We're all friends. Why can't we be friends?
We're friends.
Right? Tell them, guys. Tell them we're friends.
So
Please tell them we're friends.
can they hold this? Oh man, ES is just doing so much of a better job.
It just looks like the 15-minute 9 EMA acting as, major resistance. And then this is what I would want to see for like an H pattern to pan out. Stall here, start to come down, and then potentially make new lows.
Yeah,
And
I
then
think
you
we
have this
might could.
15-minute candle. Looks like a failed breakout, like the long wick to the upside.
I got out of that long here. I think they would need to trade back in the 280s. There's still like this pretty sizable passive bid here though. Hmm. Yeah, chat, I'm like locked the hell in on the DOM. So if you guys are saying something, I apologize. I cannot see it.
No, guys, he's just ignoring you.
Just watching ES right now.
Jacob, that is super sad to hear. If you do end up playing metals, you should be like silver, 1 micro is more than enough. Anything more than that, especially if you're on prop account, you will blow up the account. I've been there, done that. It's not fun.
Silver is actually crazy.
Dude, it is not fun.
I'm looking forward to trading that tomorrow in the competition.
Yeah, I mean, because tomorrow's account, there's no drawdown, right? It's like just 50K. You can literally go
Static.
to zero.
I mean, I hope that you don't go to zero, Salma.
I hope so too, but just the fact that I know I have a little bit more leeway, I might trade silver tomorrow. But yeah, on these prop accounts, when you have like 2K drawdown, unless you've got like a really good entry, you're asking to get cooked. And I'm telling you guys, like, it's from experience. It's not fun. Hello, ES Yearly Open. We meet again. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Trying to see them go lower here. This hourly candle is not looking too good right now.
Yeah.
Telling you, join shorts. It's not too late.
No, it's definitely too late for me.
Dan asks me, what are the albums behind me? If you guys can guess, it's 70s, 60s, 70s, and 80s music. Let you guys guess what bands.
Too late for shorts, need pants. Yeah.
Why aren't you following the trend? It's too late for shorts.
I need
Leo,
pants.
they're gonna clip
no more
that.
shorts, only pants.
They're gonna clip that, dude.
I like that.
Why are you fading the trend? And 5 minutes later, it's too late for shorts.
I still want longs. Just waiting.
I mean, I it's a good spot. I hope you take it.
Yeah, I hope I can get it.
It's tricky. That's the issue.
Mhm.
I'm going to start calling pants longs now.
No more shorts, only pants.
I'm gonna put pants in.
I like that one.
Put pants on.
Dude, I'm freaking dead.
I'd like to
No
see
one
something
says
more
you need to wear
exhaustive.
pants to be long, says Nick. Is this the spot? Is this here?
Yeah,
Are we
it's
here?
a little bit exhaustive. Let's see.
I'm gonna put a one lot in.
It could be just because ES literally just wicked off of its yearly open.
Again?
Yeah, right now.
So you just touched that thing like 4 times and just mooned off of it.
It was very strong level, but again, if NQ the selling pressure on NQ can accelerate, forget the yearly open.
I think it just exhausted into that little micro low there at 52. Enough for me to put a one lot on. Nothing too crazy.
Let's see. Trying to scale in here. See if they hold this here. If they hold it, I'm going to add some more. If not, I'm going to get out.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Lost Light is
Tagging.
asking if we add on to winners and let them run. I personally don't, just because I think that's a skill that you need to have. Something I've
I'm
been
trying
trying to
to.
do though. Yeah. Something I've been trying to learn how to do. But it's tough. It's really, really tough.
Yeah, I'm trying to, but I need to find a winner first to add into. One foot
Can't
before
add
the
if you're
other,
not
you
winning.
know?
Yeah.
I still like these longs, man. Yes.
Yeah, I've taken two trade ideas. Is that over trading? Oh, you guys are fun.
NQ really looks like it wants to sweep those lows.
Mm.
Well,
Step 1, have a winning trade.
I'm going to try some. Oh, guess it ain't ready. I'm almost flipping green to red at this point. Oh, no, come on. I like this. Not
Oh, we're moving.
Yeah.
We're moving like that's news.
If it plays out without me like this, that would definitely suck. Yeah. See if we can get this to come back. Some new prints here.
Wait, Nick, what position do you have on? Is he long?
Nick, you long?
He's flat. Oh, so why are you saying send it? No, root for me. Root for the
No,
underdog.
we're the good guys here, Nick. She's the bad guy. We're the good guys in this story.
Nick, if you root for me today, I'll root for you tomorrow.
Nick's got to be the favorite tomorrow, right?
I don't know, but I'm rooting for him because I've seen what he can do.
I would root for Nick. I called Nick for the very first one too. He's a
Did he
sleeper.
win that one?
I don't know. Did he? Nick, did you win that? No. But I think he had the best score of all of us.
Daddy's home.
Trying to scale into more longs. Don't know if they'll let me.
Composite Trader said, "Where's Nick's theoretical stop if he were long?" You guys are funny.
They're really not gonna fill my lungs. I hate these guys.
I don't like this candle. What do you mean XY? You're already in.
Oh man, I want some more. That's what it is. It's a good tape right now, but it's too strong, ironically. Yeah, it's a pretty strong tape. Too high for me to want to add now. Let's just start setting TPs then. Yeah, I wanted to add 3 more. They said, yeah, no. And I'm just like, okay.
I hate movement like this.
Yeah, this has to be Nick. Nick is on the book. As soon as he said we're going up, it's not a coincidence. All right,
I
I'm
thought
gonna
market
fill
usually does the
the.
opposite.
No, that's where his stop is. All right. See how far we can run the last one.
All right, GG's. They might. I'm not gonna micromanage just like before. This is looking sticky.
Yeah, it's a little wild.
Yeah, it is. I mean, there's still 2 minutes on this candle here. A lot can happen in 2 minutes.
I'm gonna look for potential ads if it moves back down. Yeah, they tried to sell it. They didn't get what they wanted, so I can't find any ads. That would have had to been the ad there, and it's just too high. Sean, I would never do that. The executing the current trade should not, like the past trade should not factor in how you execute the current one. The market doesn't care where your break even is or where your 1R, 2R, 3R, 4R is. So to impose that to me doesn't really make much sense. Just take the trade idea as if it's a whole independent trade. This is not, like the other trades. This trade has already paid for the other trades for me, so or if I go flat right here. But over a long term, that's not going to help your P&L. It's not going to help your equity curve. You just have to stick to the system. Sometimes you lose a bunch in a row. I mean, it's just variance. They're going to fill me. I'll move this down. I'll negotiate. All right. Well, they only let us fill 3, so we're down to 1. I hope so. Yeah, there it is. And
Yeah, Nick, I like that level too. 480 on NQ. If we do push higher. Or 460, that's like yearly open.
I'm gonna go for 426-ish, 425 maybe. Still looking for ads if they can get like an actual pullback and hold somewhere.
ES is just too strong.
ES is definitely holding off some selling here.
Yeah. Need us to get that same 15-minute candle that we just got, but to the downside.
I think this can
Give me
trade
a
down to
twin.
like 280s again. Mid
Yeah,
280s.
send it. Guys, make sure you thumb up the stream, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure
baby.
you join the competition tomorrow. Join the competition. It should be a lot of fun.
Trying to make sure I set it up so that when I get along in Q tomorrow, it'll take me long in ES too. I don't want any inefficiencies in this trade day tomorrow.
Eric is asking, when's the next competition? I'm just not ready. I mean, you don't really need to
Tomorrow.
be ready. You don't really
It's
need to
free.
be ready. It's for fun. It's
Yeah, it's
you should
free.
just join it and see what you can do in a couple hours. There you go. He used Leo's link.
Let's go.
Nice.
We're putting together a final, hopefully final, beta version. I will communicate with all of those that replied to that post with instructions. It will probably be after the close tomorrow.
What are you guys talking about?
The Dom.
Oh, it's working pretty well right now. I like it. I dig it. No issues.
XYZ, a huge fan.
It's definitely nice. Can get much better entries on stream now. Trying to layer into this long here.
I like it.
I don't.
If you like it, then buy it.
Well, the chat said I was over trading. So my 2 contracts that I traded was over
That's
trading.
on you. I'm not even reading the chat. They can't even tell me.
Chat
Can't tell
doesn't
me that if
exist
I'm not
you
reading
can't
it.
see it. Too funny.
I mean, I've been working trying to just grab these lows for this idea of it. Can't hear chat right now. They can say what they want. Trying to load up this long. So yeah, there's this volume build right here that I'm layering into, and I really want to see what happens to it. If they start to lose it, I'll flatten this thing most likely. But if they can get ahead of it, we'll be cooking, and I might add. So just kind of letting them figure it out right now, but I'm positioned for some upside. If they decide it's downside, I'm gonna get the hell out. So right now, the prints around my entry, they're very thin. So when they trade into my entry, they're not really throwing too much size on the bid, against the bid. So it's keeping me in, and I want to see them trade above this build, which would be above 300. So right now, as they go into my entry, it's just taper, taper, sell, taper, sell, taper. And that's what's keeping me in the trade. Just waiting to see if that information changes.
I do like this long here for sure. I mean, if you didn't get the first one, it's a good spot for it's like it's the same concept for this long right here, just smaller scale, right? You have this leg from the low to this high, pull back to kind of that. I think Salma calls it the magnet, what do you call it?
What are you talking about? I'm sorry.
The magic pocket,
Oh, the golden pocket?
the golden pocket.
It was like the
Yeah.
So
fifth
like
thing.
this would be the golden pocket of this rotation up. And then kind of right here, it's not quite that low yet, but it's at the 50% for sure, this little leg.
Is it like the 50% to the 61.8 or something like
No.
that?
The magic pocket is like 61.8
The
to the
magic.
what?
78.6?
78.6. Yeah.
The secret super pocket, the safe pocket.
This the super safe pocket.
The
The
safe.
golden pocket, guys. But yeah, like the 0.5 is the midpoint. We love that. And then the 0.618 to 0.786 you can treat as like a zone if you wanted to.
Can you guys buy this thing, chat? Just market order this thing.
Eric Shirley for the competition, it's a simulated 50K account. So yeah, it will show up in like your drop down or something like that when you log in.
They just traded 126 at 305, and they are struggling to get above that.
I mean, NQ looks just cleaner than ES here. Looks like
ES looks stronger though.
it does.
Salma,
it
Salma, Salma,
does.
Salma, Salma.
Yo,
I need to know
yo.
something. I need to know something.
Tell me.
Portable monitor. What's the situation?
Oh, yeah, so I stayed on with mission control after the live the other day. Anyway, long story short, I got it working. They look good. They're doing exactly what I need them to do. They're just extra screens. I don't need anything too fancy.
All right, cool.
And
Monitor talk.
I heard Leo spent an absurd amount of money on his setup, which is why he's talking crap about my non-expensive
Wait, hold
portable
on.
monitors.
You heard that I spent
I
and then how
heard
much?
a couple thousand, a couple G's.
And
Dude,
that's
Leo
an
be
insane amount of
spending on
money.
his tech stuff.
Bro, I was floored when I heard the amount.
What?
Yeah, I heard.
What?
I heard what? You spent a lot of money on your setup.
Okay.
And it makes sense
I
now.
don't. Let me
now
put
that
it this way: like, this is where I spend 10 to 12 hours of my day.
As do I, though. As do I.
And as a professional, I want the best of the best.
And
And
I hear
you're
you.
roasting me for spending a little money on it?
No. Don't say a little. It's a lot of money.
What?
It's more than like what someone would make Guys, he spent a lot of money on this setup.
Are you actually lying right now?
All right,
No, I'm
chat.
just saying what I
You guys want to
heard.
know? Leo has a $50,000 setup. I'm just gonna
Oh
say
my
it.
god!
Wait,
I'm
wait,
just gonna
wait,
say
wait,
it.
wait,
You got to
wait.
be fucking kidding me.
I'm just gonna
Wait,
say it.
pause. Fractal just said, since it's not a lot of money, Leo should send Salma a duplicate of his setup if she wins tomorrow. And I think that's fair. If you think you didn't spend an absurd amount of money, duplicate it. Send it my way.
Okay, but how much do you think I spent?
More than $5,000 is what I was told.
Just add a zero
By
behind it.
who?
Don't worry about by who. I'm not
Well, what the
throwing
fuck? Does
anybody
somebody have
under.
access to my credit card?
Bro, I'm dead. All I'm saying is that's a lot of freaking money. And it makes sense why when I said I spent, whatever, $75 per portable monitor, it makes sense why you thought that was low. And I agree, it is low, and that's what I was going for. But yeah, you're bougie as fuck when it comes to this stuff. So
I mean, I want this is Eddie's Auto Detail said, "Did you get the 52-inch?" No, but I want to. I might.
He's about to.
Because I'm not totally sold on the 232s side by side because I'm losing real estate. Like there's real estate there to my right, like the two, having 232s, a tad bit defensive.
dude, Jim said it wasn't me. That's hilarious.
Who's
No,
got
it
the
wasn't
biggest
Jim.
screen?
My biggest
Who
screen
has
is
the
only
biggest
34
screen?
inches.
I have 234s,
Me
but
too.
I'm not totally leveraging one of my other screens. It's like halfway used. So I think my plan backfired a little bit. Because you don't know me, son.
Oh, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I wouldn't mind spending that much. You just mortgaged your Lambo to buy your setup. Yeah, dude, that's somebody's mortgage for like 2 months.
No, okay, so I have 232s. Are they 32s or 34s? Hang on. Oh, what the? Somebody tell me how to figure this out. Uh-oh. Clicked a button I didn't mean to. Oh, damn it.
Can this thing
Settings.
dump, please?
No dump.
That's why you're still in?
Devices.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm still in these
brother.
longs.
Hang on.
All right, well, I hope it works out for you, but not at the cost of me losing.
It's gonna be the cost. It has to be the cost. One of us has to die.
Gringo, yeah, his monitor setup is literally my mortgage payment for the month. So
Oh
a
my
little
gosh!
less.
Stop.
You have a
Mina,
50K monthly mortgage?
He didn't spend 50K.
Dude, his setup is 50K.
Dude, I'm dead. Mina, I have right now with my laptop included, I have 5 screens.
Dude,
but it's not all
it's
not all for trading. Like, I have the stream up, I have watching flow, I have trading view. It's not all just for my trades. I really think if you're just trading, you can trade successfully and be a successful trader if purely off of a phone. You really don't need all these screens and stuff. But if you are doing more than just trading, like if you're running a community or if you're streaming or you're someone who watches flow, then yeah, I would say you definitely need more than one screen. 900 people in here hating on Leo's setup and only 250 likes. WTF is that? I agree, Nick.
Is there 900
what the
people
hell
in
is
here?
that? 892. Pretty damn close.
And where's all the likes?
267. That is measly.
And chat says I'm over trading. They can't even hit the like button. Come on.
They said you're over trading?
Yeah.
I'm still trading. And the market's going without me.
Bro,
I hate
please.
them so much. I hate them so much.
Wait, you got out?
I'm in again, but they're not filling my orders.
Oh, because 3 minis isn't a lot.
It's not enough. Oh, these bastards.
But yeah, Leo, you're bougie.
That's funny because I'm legit I am far from bougie whatsoever.
I don't know. You're sounding a little bougie to me. Bro, when I was told 5K.
Nick is bougie.
Oh, wait. I heard it was 5K for a monitor.
That
Or
is
your
a complete
PC.
lie.
Or your PC or something. It wasn't even the whole setup. So
That's a
like,
lie.
I don't know. I kind of believe it.
You want to see the receipts, Salma?
No, it's okay.
You want to see them? Oh, okay. So when I come to pull up the
Yeah,
receipts, you don't want to see
his
them.
face turned white. His face turned white. He's actually looking up the
I'm
receipts.
legit. Yeah, you're gonna see the receipts.
Oh God.
Throwing flashbang.
32. Okay.
This is just rage bait, by the way.
This is
complete
here.
rage
This
bait.
is what I got 2 of these.
I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for the DM.
It's coming.
I'm waiting.
Do you think I'm salty? I'm just having fun. You guys shouldn't take me so seriously.
You guys don't ever take any of us serious. It's all funsies. Chubby, yeah, I'm not really much of a scalper. I like to either hold my position for TP or stop loss. So, yeah, XY is a great scalper. I'm not.
It's TBD on that.
I mean, you're very green, so.
For now.
Oh wait,
For now.
I got a DM.
But see, that's just for the like you're saying I spent 5K on monitors.
You
That's
have 2
not
of those,
5K.
correct?
Yeah, I do, but that's not 5K.
All right, we're talking almost 3K on just 2 screens. Very
Okay,
nice.
math. Hold on, math. What is 1241 times 2, Salma? Is that
No,
almost
that's-
3K or is it 2500? Because you're trying to round up to like 2480 or whatever.
It's 1241 now on sale. This originally cost
How do you know
1400.
How do you know I didn't spend less? How do you know I didn't get a better deal?
Well, because I feel like
He didn't.
You
Leo
didn't.
doesn't even get deals. He just buys it. He market orders
God.
the product.
Shut up and take
I'm
my money.
dead. Guys, they're gonna tap me out of this
Word
short. That's a
details.
shame.
$23.99 is what I paid for both together.
All right, so 3K.
That's a lot.
How is
Thank you.
$23.99 3K?
That's 3K. That's for sure 3K.
Bro, straight up rage baiting him, and he's just taking the bait every single time.
How about
What?
ES just buy through this?
It's
It's
I mean,
gonna.
NQ is
It's gonna.
buying.
ES needs to just come on. We know what's gonna
Bro,
happen.
ES is pushing, NQ is doing absolutely nothing.
That's the
Please.
problem. That's the problem. NQ needs to be more like ES.
They're gonna stop me out. There it is. GG's.
Not quite.
What a waste of time.
All right, I'm gonna start scaling in. I mean scaling out. Oops. They did not fill my last lot, so I hate them.
Don't be greedy, XY. Don't be greedy.
I'm trying to take less of a whatever. I was trying to get it from 2 to 1 and it just kept staying, so now I'm down to 2. That is that. Well, we are making some money now. Jeez. They made it difficult, man.
Nice. That's a great trade, though.
Now it is. Yeah,
Yep.
I think with the Dom, my entries could just be so much better that, I don't know, I feel like I have just way better edge. I didn't really
Yeah, I mean, I definitely do. For me, trading on NinjaTrader with the Dom, totally 100% more comfortable for sure.
Mhm.
And to be honest, it's like I can tell with you, and I've noticed it with me, is like you're a little more quiet now, right? Because you're locked in, like you're reading
Dude, I'm so
Normal
locked in.
shit.
You guys are just arguing, and I'm like,
So it's just like,
let me get along
Someone-
here.
Someone in the chat goes, XY is having his own conversation while they argue about
yeah,
monitors.
he
I'm
is,
trying to talk to
for
the
sure.
buyers and the sellers, just trying to reason with them. Come on, guys, we don't have to trade these prices. It's too low.
That was great. I'll still try shorts again.
Eric Shirley, yes. How do you get it? I will contact each one of you individually tomorrow. By fax.
Ooh,
Fax machine.
Yeah, NQ is not loving this push. I kind of want to get back in.
ES is back in that old range too. They got to hold it now, or
Well, too, I'm gonna
two
try this
lots.
again. They stopped me out by 2 points and then drop right back down. All right, yeah, NQ is still looking very much bear flaggy to me, and it's still struggling to get above 90 MA on the 15-minute, whereas, ES, we've already come to the conclusion that it is the much more stronger one. We'll see if NQ can lead the way down.
Tape is really speeding up here in Q.
Yeah.
I want to get more longs in.
What does that mean, guys? Like
More
for your
orders just
position?
flying in.
Okay.
I saw a bunch of buying coming in, then right away, a bunch of selling just floods in after the fact.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta learn all these like terminology that you guys use because we stream together often. Salma, you
more
don't think the
longs here,
market sold
but I
off
don't
enough?
like it.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ticks imbalance right next to me.
Have you been using the reset thing on the bid ask?
Yeah, all the time.
Nice. It's pretty slick. We're going to get it into a hotkey too, like a customizable hotkey.
Yeah, it's B, but I'm used to just tapping S. So
Mm.
my brain kind of freezes for a second. That's why I'm so locked in right now because I'm trying not to screw anything up with this DOM. I'm just still trying to get acquainted with it.
Yeah.
Because everything I do is straight hotkey. Where my limits are, my stops, even on the DOM, I just hotkey it in.
Right.
But that's not a feature right now, so I'm trying to be like extra careful.
I will give you props though for doing that on minis.
I'm trying.
You're trading your own account, trading decent big size, and I'll give you kudos.
I think I'm
Yes.
gonna jump in here.
Come on, guys.
I want
Keep
to
making
fill
higher lows here, and think you could squeeze this. Buyers are really coming in pretty hot.
Come back one more time. Don't leave without me. Oh,
let's go. Let's go.
Bro, do you see my limit orders? They left right on top of them. They hate me. They hate me, man.
Oh,
come back real quick. I want to see something.
No. I
want to see something. I want to see something.
I don't want to see anything.
Quick, I want to see something. All right, just go. Just go, you bastard.
I think we just got some like war news, which could be the reason for the pop. Put it in the chat.
No, the pop is from the power of friendship. Let me tell you something. Yeah, come back.
I'm dead.
Damn, I'd be in 5 right now.
All right, I'm out of this. Screw it.
All right, I took one off here. And that popped to 27s.
Hoping we get at least like 358, 357.
$340s would be nice. I'd take some cover there of 340. Get above this little edge.
Are you trading a
volume
prop
edge.
account? Oh, Salma.
What happened?
Salma's trading the greatest
come
prop
on.
of all time, isn't she? Salma, give me your code.
Oh, for Lucid, yeah. Code Salma. Spell it right. It's with an A. OGS. Use that code. Don't use
That
XYs.
code
Don't use Leos.
that code minimizes drawdown.
Yeah,
The code
which
XYZ eliminates it. Leo, are we gonna? We gotta go through, right?
We gotta go through
Oh,
this.
ES. No, ES has made its choice. ES is going higher.
Yeah, but
ES
ES has been stronger all afternoon. So
They'll drag NQ up by the collar.
give me 40s.
I want
Right here.
420s.
dude, ES is just pushing.
pump
Oh
this
my
move.
goodness.
420s.
Why is NQ not pumping then?
I know.
Because tech is beaten down. Look at the Mag 7.
No, they're fine. They're fine. Nobody
Come
look.
on.
Just buy it.
It's fine. Everything is fine.
They're finally gonna trade into the 40s, 340s.
Like this makes me want to trade NQ because obviously I want to short and NQ is the weaker one, but I'm not gonna. I don't like that. We're nearing the end of the day here.
We got one left. I'll take it for the trip.
I'm just watching ES's tape to manage this NQ position.
Are you calling me a kid? I'm 42. I have 3 kids.
Dude,
The fuck are you
so
talking
young,
about?
man.
I'll trade how I'd trade. Please quit talking about shorts in here. I'm a
Pants.
man.
Never.
I'm 40.
Pants only.
Have you guys seen that meme?
No.
I'll have to send it to you. It's a
Dude,
classic.
Who is this seller? They have infinite
What's his name?
inventory.
Can somebody call him? Jim,
Dude,
can you call the seller?
Does he have all of the inventory in the market? He owns all of it?
I mean, we put a bunch of volume right here.
It's
So
insane.
it's just,
This guy has every contract that exists.
I
It
will
would
say the
appear that
hourly
way.
does look good.
Finally, he ran out of contracts.
Does it look good? I don't think
Or
so.
did he?
Yeah. I inverted the hourly because I mean I already explained it on stream before, but sometimes when I invert the chart, then I'll get better insight.
So market always goes up, is what you're saying. If it's going
It's like
down, you invert it and it's going back up.
based on this, I mean, if buyers are strong enough and they're motivated enough, then you would want to see us reclaim like 69.45. Doing so puts buyers in a better position for tomorrow. This is how the inverted chart looks like on the hourly. And then, you guys already know if you're long and you have a really good entry, then you would leave your stops at the lows. It looks good though. Does.
I filled one. I'm down to one. There's a infinite contract limit seller here. And I hate him.
I mean, if it comes down, maybe I will take a long position.
Yeah, I will try to get some contracts back on if they come back again.
I'll lessen my size this time. Just let's see.
I
See if
hate
we
that
get it.
they left me the first time.
On the moon.
No, chill. Come
Time
back
to
down to
moon.
film me.
I'm
Time
trying
to
to put
moon.
some back on.
Get that end of day squeeze.
Yeah, I know. They really did try to sell that. $420's dead.
Yeah, NQ just invalidated. Well, with the way this candle currently looks like that bear flag is invalidated on NQ finally. You guys can thank ES for that.
I mean, I'm thinking the buyers.
ES took a little too long to get all this done. I've been working my ass off on stream. Haven't even seen the chat. All right,
Bill's
I guess
gotta
they're
be
not going to
paid,
fill these
XY.
orders. No, take them off.
Yep, there it is. Damn.
So it looks like the 97s maybe, or 420s for me. They had triple single prints at some point, huh? Well, can you guys please hit the likes? I feel like I've been trading for 16 hours straight.
Is
I
your
think
brain fried yet?
Dude, we deserve some likes for sure. Literally, I feel like I've traded for a whole week.
Yeah.
Because I traded in the morning a little bit too, so I had some extra profits to. I almost gave back like 70% of it earlier.
Did you let it go?
Profits. Oh, the what?
Are you still in?
I'm still in, yeah. I want my
Okay.
420s, but I'm gonna look at the 390s. I have a line there for some reason.
Up. Just let it stop me
Yeah,
up
this
for
is
search.
all off of War News.
Salma, it can't always be news. Can't just buyers
is-
came in. We talked about this
No.
exact scenario. They held this low as a rebid. They held this low as a rebid. I talked about it as it was happening. XYZ took the trade. It's not news. It's just buyers came in and defended the lows.
It's
Why?
never a
Why is
coincidence.
just?
So wait,
It is
let
a
me explain.
coincidence.
No. It's never a coincidence where news drops on the chart.
Oh, so like the Matrix theory. I'm in.
No, I mean,
I'm
whatever.
I'm just messing with you.
Oh,
I'm just
it's
messing
your
with you.
turn to rage bait me
Well,
now?
yeah. I mean, you get to rage bait me for like 3 weeks straight. I get nothing but to defend myself. Everyone's thinking, "Oh, Leo's out here buying $5,000 monitors and this and that."
You do. You
and
have
you
your
lie.
entire setup.
I mean, it's just
Friends
straight
don't lie.
lies.
Friends don't lie.
You haven't
Have you
even
watched
read the
Stranger
book?
Things?
No. What is that?
Bro, come on.
The first 2 seasons of Stranger Things were good, and then I stopped watching it.
Yeah, we'll say the newest season was not all that. But like, if I was already too invested not to watch it.
Yeah, I understand that.
Oh, I like JD. JD is a smart Florida man. He's a smart man.
I'm
You lose
flat.
every argument you take against a woman. You are smart.
So
Dude,
I'm
that
just
was-
supposed to. So just so I'm clear, I'm
Supposed to
supposed
just
to
take
just
it.
allow you to slander, lie about me to thousands of people, and just be like, yeah, you say whatever you want.
It's for the likes, man. It's for the likes.
Oh, okay. So you're just rage baiting the chat to give a
It's
thumbs
for
up
the
button.
likes. Chat. Let's get 450 likes just to rage Leo, just to
Where
piss
we
him
at?
off. We're at 375.
All that
We
work
could do it.
for 375.
I think if all people,
Bro.
you guys think I'm dead ass. They actually think I'm they're like, Leo's a bit sensitive. It's like, you think I'm serious? Why so serious?
They're gonna clip that.
They
That's a
need to
good
do
clip.
that meme. It's not Leo versus Salma. I love Salma.
I know. You know
I
what? I
love
gotta say,
Salma.
guys.
She's the
I looked
best.
at my schedule. I looked at my schedule today, and I said Leo and XY. This never happens.
It's whenever we get on schedule together, she DMs me and she's like, "Yes, can't wait till Thursday." You know.
Let's go. Let's.
And I think the
go.
same thing.
Yeah. No, I enjoyed being on stream with you guys.
It's so fun. You got to have a vibe.
Did we just become best friends? Yep.
Yes.
Yep. Yep. Oh, thank you.
Give
That.
the 100 points, please.
Are you long still?
Yeah.
Oh, man, I'm tired.
Come on.
Salma, the moment of
Flash 99.
truth. Best team. Do I prefer to be with Leo
There we go.
or XY?
100. Didn't even let me take it. Are you serious? They just flash 100 and dump it 10 points. What a scam.
You guys did so good today. I'm very proud of the both of you.
It's hard enough just defending myself, and I gotta,
Gotta trade while doing it.
gotta trade while doing it. Oh, come on, man. All right, whatever. I'm out. I can moon now. And there it goes. I would have got the 100. Give XYZ a beer. Hey, XY. Right after we hang up, you better get a good night's sleep because you're gonna have to be up early.
Fucking fried. But we made money, but at what cost?
Isn't that the worst when you feel like so mentally
I don't feel like I've won
exhausted?
anything at all.
Yeah.
Did XY dematerialize? I grinded my ass off. Mm-hmm. Damn. What was that clip? Suspicious Profit says, I got demolished on my cash account, but did well with my prop. Dude, I think it was Friday. Was it Friday or Thursday? I did so well on the prop, and then I went on stream to trade the cash and gave like half of it back. Cash.
It'd be
That
like
sucks.
that. This market's been tough, guys. It's not easy.
Everyone will be really excited tomorrow for a lot of things. There's so much happening at NinjaTrader. Tomorrow, in addition to the arena event, we'll have some. I'm gonna leak something if I get permission. I'm gonna leak something if I get permission. Beta talk hour? Nah. But we'll put that, the people that used my link will, they'll get the access to the DOM.
How many people are signed up? 1,600. Damn, the chat just fired away.
What's up?
Just asking a ton of questions.
Leakage. Yeah. I should go and get the pens. By definition, you do not get permission to leak. By the time I say it will be somebody else will say it, but it will be unofficially unofficial. It'll be unofficially official, maybe. And then next week is even crazier. There's just literally no better time to be watching the streams and trading on NinjaTrader. I have friends, close friends, who are beginning to use NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is definitely not buying Bookmap. That's pretty funny, though. That's a podcast joke, inside joke for those of you that don't know. I'm going to leak the thing.
Episode 1. Season 2, episode 1.
Yeah.
Knox, you just need to log in to your NinjaTrader account and then sign up for the competition.
Can you trade NinjaTrader on a Mac? You can if you use Parallels.
You also can through TradingView. It's not entirely the same, but
That's funny, Nick. That's funny.
Yeah, Nick, I cannot imagine why. I cannot imagine why they would do that.
Imagine why.
Makes no sense.
Laggy. What's laggy? I don't know what you mean. What's laggy? Eric? Very laggy. I like the cover I got, at least. I didn't get the 100 points, but close enough.
Oh, they traded the 420 and just turned it around.
Yeah. I mean, look at those prior, a couple times. Support bounce, resistance, and still resistance today. Since they trade splaned, they have invented market depth. You can trade on NinjaTrader on a Mac through the web app. Also, I have been doing a little more. Salma mentioned trading on your phone. I've been tossing a few micro
Mobile
gold
trading
and micro silvers around, and I think everyone needs to know NinjaTrader Mobile is the predominant mobile app now. I know a lot of people use Tradeovate mobile or used to use. NinjaTrader is always telling us to remind you guys that NinjaTrader mobile is the way to go.
I do think it's way better, honestly.
It's a lot better. Yeah,
It's so much better.
It's good enough for me to actually, be willing to put a trade on. It's free. Yeah, it's free. I mean, obviously you have to have an account. Yeah, you don't use the NinjaTrader website. There's an app. But agreed. The website is not mobile friendly. Can you trade props? Yes, you can. On the NinjaTrader mobile app, you just sign in with your prop account. Log in. When app at dark mode? Same question. Is there a way to add? Yes. Pro prop accounts, you can on NinjaTrader mobile. You just sign in with your credentials. The app is really good. Can we get a link for the DOM beta? It's not, I don't have it yet. Ninja Mobile, so good once you learn it. Love the running volume numbers and the numbers. Yeah. What's madness? Fractal. Leo, where do you find Leo's link? On Twitter. How did you say we get access to the DOM? Register for the Arena Challenge with my link on Twitter. And then honestly, in like I would say 2 to 3 weeks, we will put it out. Like we'll put a first release out there for everybody. So
It's
if you miss
legit.
out,
It is legit.
if you miss out, don't fret. Trading on a phone, having trading follow you to the restaurant. I mean, hey, if you want to take a little micro trade, you know, on the couch. What made you say the trend was starting to end at the low? I guess the biggest clue for me was this really large rotation up.
Oh, no way. They traded
What?
my TP and did not fill. I literally see the order flow.
Did you get
I
long?
must
Are you
be
still trading?
fake sim trading. What? Yeah, I'm long. I
Oh,
scalped
shit.
into longs up
Okay.
here.
I didn't mean
trying
to
to-
interrupt your trading.
I
No,
told
no,
you he
keep
just
going.
takes
I mean,
trades
there's
and
nothing
doesn't
to look
tell
at
us.
on my end.
He
so.
does. He just literally does like takes trades. It's like he's long, he's short.
Hey.
Gatekeeper. He's
I
up.
don't know if
How many?
you've seen the stream, but I
He's
was
up
getting
800
washed earlier.
bucks.
Can't figure out how to move target. So you just click your you click and hold and then drag your target. So it's click, hold, and drag.
Yeah, Leo's the guy. He's the plug for the Dom. You're gonna have to use that link. But you guys will, I mean, dude, you take way less heat on your trades if you can really pick your spots. Locked in. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm locked in. See if the market can give me another TP here.
5 minute on NQ looks bull flaggy.
Yeah, I'm trying to get out before the algo. Looking at 420. I don't know if I'll negotiate. We'll do 415.
Real G's hold through algo time.
That ain't me, that's for sure. I don't know what it is about like 420. They never make it easy when you're coming into that 420.
Whoa. I know, right? Gringo Loco?
Nice handle.
just gonna wait.
I was like, you
Just gonna
said
wait.
what?
Oh, just read in the chat. I don't want this to get taken out of context. Someone's gonna clip me. Can you imagine?
Oh man, Salma,
It's time to cancel her, huh, chat?
You would do so much better if you had a 5K monitor.
I know. I was waiting for you to read that comment.
You would.
Yep. I would. It's unfortunate that I don't have a 5K monitor or a setup that costs me
Leo,
thousands.
what's ES's weekly open?
How would you think I would know?
Is it 69.35?
Wait, what are you asking? What are you asking?
ES's weekly open.
Weekly open. I got you. Wait.
Did my trade
Probably
just get
It's
killed?
probably wrong. Oh, hang on.
Wait, I got
Use
you.
it. Hang on. Let's see if it's right though. I gotta test.
69.38, they said.
I gotta test. Let's pull up Trading View. Because
Just hit. Oh, those bastards.
let's see. ES1.
39.5.
1 second. Okay, the open.
Oh yeah, you
69.39
just
and a
tagged
half.
it. Yep, you just tagged it.
Oh man. Oh, they're coming back. All right.
Dude, I really went back in time to look for that when it's literally right in front of my face from my indicator. Oh, brother.
I'm surprised you
Playing
don't
on
have that
chop.
NinjaTrader. Yes, right? It's a great
I
line.
have it. I have it set. It just didn't register, and I just went back in time looking for
Attention traders, it's algo time.
All right, I'm holding into algo up with a break-even stop. Let's do it.
Let's
I
see
want
what it
IB
does.
low. IB low.
Oh,
I be
I
low.
bullied him.
I be low.
There you go. He's a real G. Guys, drop a G in the chat for XYZ.
XYG.
Come on, guys. I can't be the only one doing this.
I'm scared,
I'm having
chat.
too much fun.
Kind of want to just take this money, chat.
Real
Let's hear Salma.
Gs, dude.
Salma.
Bro, it's just me. Oh, God.
I'll put a G.
Come on, put a G.
Guys, I'm scared.
I got you.
Spam the chat. Whoa, I got a message from YouTube. You have been sending too many messages. Take a break.
Bot detected. Banned.
Bro, I'm dead.
Detected. All right, chat. 4, 6, 9. That's where we're going.
469.
4, 6, 9.
All right, be careful. We have the yearly open up there. That's a really good spot, though, for the bulls to end the day above that level.
I'm kind of scared. I'm not gonna lie to
At
you.
478.
I have
469.
459.
We need to
What?
get some volume done.
How do you have
in
the
this
wrong level?
430s range.
Who, me?
Yeah. It's 478 for the year open.
What? Are you looking at NQ?
Yeah.
Well, okay, it might be because I'm on MNQ. Could be off by a couple points. That's usually
Well,
what happens. Check it on MNQ. I'm interested to see if it is right or wrong.
I don't have time for that, Salma.
That's the funniest thing you've said all day.
Dream's dead, guys. We didn't get enough G's.
Dude, that was awesome, Leo. Think you could do this to me? Oh, Mr. Josh, that's the first time I hear that. I don't know what that means, Fractal. Ooh, Jim tagged me on Twitter.
All right, I'm gonna look at these 430s, see if I want to get involved here again, because I don't know. I don't know about these 430s.
Oh, I see what Fractal is talking about. Bro.
Josh, we actually imported our levels to TradingView, so the stuff that we are building in there is 100% accurate. What are the advantages? What is the advantages of the new DOM? I mean, I guess you'll have to see for yourself.
I mean, if you use one, you'll definitely be glad to have it. If you don't regularly use one,
Yeah, it won't do anything for you.
yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, if you don't use it, it's not really going to change your life because you've already decided you don't use it. But I enter all of my orders on it, so having it definitely helps me. Because a lot of times, like on stream, you guys will see me enter a trade, and instantly I'm like, I hate it. I hate my fill. I hate my position because I have to mark it in, and sometimes it's just like it's too crazy. They'll give me a fill or a spot I don't really like. So I'm keeping an eye on this. 430s definitely had trouble building volume, and if they're not going to do it again, I'm just going to flatten this thing. It's almost double or nothing algo. I'll just take it. It's cool. So we got another dub right before it ended. But
Yeah, nice trade, man. I didn't even know you took that.
thing.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Here we go. ES approaching January 2nd's high, first session of the year. This is a level. Well, Anthony talked about it earlier this week. I think it might have been yesterday. I don't know. The days get jumbled up, but he spoke about these levels, the high and the low of the first session of the year, and so I marked them. I'm doing pretty well having them on my chart. Recommend everyone do the same.
Oh, hey, Jim.
What's
Hey, guys.
up?
Thank God you're here. I can stop talking. I lost my voice.
What happened?
I have to defend myself against all of the
Allegations.
people that are out making lies and spreading rumors about me.
This is about
Hey,
you
I'm
Jim.
losing my voice.
It's about you inventing the
Jim.
dome.
Yeah.
Inventing the dome.
I am.
What's up?
I really like your hat, Jim. Never seen it
Thanks.
before.
Really?
Ooh.
It's very fashionable.
Looks sick.
Yeah.
How many likes we got?
I mean, we had a thing called a Nasdaq level 2 depth of market dome in 1998.
Well, the Saw guy invented it, Jim.
Oh yeah, I was there. I saw him do it.
I want to play a game.
We had T-Trade, we had TT, we had my firm, YesTrader, was the first one, JTrader.
Mm-hmm.
It just goes on and on.
Yeah.
So, and now it's Leo Trader. What are you calling this thing?
I'm gonna build Pax a theme, like a Dom just for him, and then make sure that he knows how to use it because this is incredible. He will genuinely like it.
It's such a good, honestly, yeah.
All right. I'd be careful. I wouldn't take that on myself, but okay.
The
Well, Leo
Pax
has like a
being able to use
$50,000 tech setup, so there's very little he can't do.
That's true.
He's a big baller.
That's true.
How
So
do you even know I'm talking to you? It could just be AI of me because I built it with my
I believe
$50,000
it.
setup.
Leo spends like $80,000 on his computer stuff.
All right. So interestingly enough, I was incorrect about what was going to happen today in the S&Ps. And instead, we retraced all the way back up, almost to the tick, to the 38.1% retracement from high to low at 38.1%, almost all the way
And
back up.
everyone is mad at me and XYZ for taking the longs that we took.
Really?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Mhm.
I could
Why?
not see. Chow was so locked in. I was
I know
in the dom.
XYZ didn't. It's the chat XY now that he has a Dom is dead.
Yeah.
Just letting you know.
I
Wow.
was
I'm just
locked
letting you know where
in.
you stand with XY now that he has a Dom is you guys are dead to him.
Wait, so they were saying like stop going long?
Yeah, don't counter trade. The trend is down. Why are you getting long?
Well,
You're
couldn't
fighting
see.
the market.
I
I
would take
really
my
was. I do feel like I fought the
Hey, but
market.
you know what, Nerd Man? He banged out 100 points.
Yeah. Yeah.
Some people look into longs. Hey, the Lost Light. Does NinjaTrader have a lockout function? I think what you should do is you should watch the open tomorrow with us.
Yeah. And like it.
Well, now that you open the door to that, I do want to.
I didn't open the door, Jim. Somebody else in the comments opened the door.
Well, tomorrow is going to be a special day, of course. We have the four-way battle, but we're starting off with me, Deli, and Craig. And then I believe Farm is doing tape talk with Deli. And then we get into the battle. We're trading the open live, and it's the arena battle. We have Kane, Leo, XYZ, and Nick. So all four of you will be face to face live in the stream tomorrow. All morning.
Wait, are you guys are on all morning?
It's a foursome. It's like a golf. It's like they're going golfing.
Until we are on until 12 Eastern.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, nice.
Now in
We're
the
gonna be
afternoon,
partying.
though, we do have Salma, Tanya, and Jack trading the close.
I'll be back.
Yeah. So
I
we got a
shall be
lot of stuff.
back.
And we will post that leaderboard all day long. So there'll be no question of who is in the lead and who is in last place. And if you're in second place, it's last place.
Yeah, you're either first or you're last.
You got to channel your inner Ricky Bobby on this one.
AMD earnings after the bell.
Who? AMD?
Yeah.
Well
So,
then.
in any event, that's what tomorrow is up. We're up against that tomorrow. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be a lot of fun. I think there's over 1,600 people registered for the event. It's going to be all day long, and it will be spectacular as usual. So we're really looking forward to that. Having said all that, thank you, traders, guys and gal, for a tremendous effort this afternoon. Let's give them a round of applause.
Oh, Jim, can I
Yeah.
if you know anybody that does shirts or pullovers, like custom, send me a DM.
I do not.
I'm
Come on,
talking to the
Jim.
chat. not
Everyone
you.
knows Jim's always got a guy.
Talking to the chat.
No.
Screen printers, please contact me.
I mean, my guy's in Sicily, so yeah, it's not gonna.
What?
Oh, yeah, you don't want to see Jim's guys. It's always you don't want to see that.
We'll give you something that fits really tight, Leo. Oh my gosh!
I'm not doing that on stream, Jim.
If you
That
know
was a good
someone from
one.
Leo,
That
you don't
was- that
want
was
to
a
DM
really
Leo, you
good
can
one.
send me an email. learn@ninjatrader.com. Oh my
Made from
goodness!
cement.
Any event, thank you, folks, for being here. Appreciate everybody. Thank you for being in the
That's a
chat.
different stream.
Who wrote that?
NinjaTrader.
Oh my god.
We have too much fun on here.
That's so good.
Boy, tomorrow's going to be equally
Savage.
fun, everybody.
Craig's Designs. What's Craig's Designs?
I don't know. We got to wrap this
Ninja
up,
After
guys.
Dark.
All right, we'll see you guys.
All right, everybody. Great community. Thank you for the subscriptions. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the coolness in the chat. If you're not in the chat and you're watching somewhere, thank you for being part of the NinjaTrader live community, the best trading community there is. End of story. Hard stop. Everybody, remember, most important message of the day, please be safe out there and be good to each other. See you soon.
See you guys.
Bye,
See you, chat.
guys.